splashing.
You do?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, well, don't splash this.
What?
Let me show the camera what you do.
1, 2, 3.
You like that? Was that fun? Do it again.
No, I don't.
1, 2, 3.
I said I didn't want to do it.
I thought you said you did.
I want to do
There's
it.
the camera. Say hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Okay, see the fun day I'm having with Daddy?
I'm name is Mom. Yeah. I'm
Listen
good.
to- Mwah.
I'm going to backwards again.
Okay. Okay.
1, 2. I'm out of here. Again.
Again what? Okay, let's jump on my shoulders. Stand up.
I'm standing.
First stand. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna jump this way.
Like that.
Straight up.
That. I'm on.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Another steps. Go. Excellent. Come here.
I said. So. Wow. One, pull me up.
Let me shut this.
Dada, I have an idea. Dada,
Yeah.
can I do this forward flip again? This forward one?
The forward flip?
Yeah.
Okay, go do it.
Dad,
By
you have
yourself.
to be next to me.
Okay.
You have to be over there.
Okay, let's go. I want to watch you. Go.
But Dad, you have to be like
In the water?
when I catch me.
You want me in the water?
Yeah, you have
Okay.
to catch me.
Okay, you go around and jump from over there. You go around. Come on, go around. Do it over here.
Why go around?
Because you got to do it from right here.
Why?
Because
Why not over there?
that's not the way you do it. You got to do it right here. Just get the steps over there.
Okay.
All right.
Beep, beep, like,
Oh.
yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Come here. Come to Dad. All right. That was excellent. Can't believe it.
I can do another one.
Do another one.
It's gonna be even better than that.
Better one.
Looks so bad.
Okay, do a flip and swim all the way to me. See if you can do that. A flip and swim to here. I'll catch you.
Okay. Dad, this could be amazing. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Now swim to Daddy. Come here. Swim to Daddy. All the way. Come on. You got it. All right. That was awesome. Say hi to Mama. She's going to see it later.
Hi, Mama. You see it later.
Say, do you see that, Mama?
Do you see that, Mama?
What a big boy.
Hey, do you know what I have?
Okay, wait.
Do you know what I have, Mama? She's not talking.
No, this is a video. She's not here. Show Mama the alligator. Don't wet it.
Mommy,
No, don't wet it. Say, look what Daddy bought me.
look what Daddy bought me.
And tell her a bunch of other things.
A bunch of other things.
Say, see you later.
See you later.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye, bye. Bye. Bye.